Let's do some drywall. Hey YouTubers, in this video we're showing you how to do pre-filling gaps in drywalls. I'm using a 5-minute mud because I am going to finish this patch in one trip. You can use regular joint compounds, 20 minutes, 40 minutes, 90 minutes. I'm using a 5-minute. You want the mud really thick as you can get it, because you are filling in a gap. The rule of thumb is for gaps and patches or new sheetrock, no matter what size the project is, if the gap is bigger than the tip of your finger, if I can put my finger in the gap, it should be pre-filled. It's a rule of thumb. If patches are nice and tight and there's no gaps, you don't need a pre-fill. But I'm just pre-filling. I'm using my 6-inch knife and a real heavy mud, and I'm getting the material inside of the gap. Then I'm going to follow it with a fiberglass tape. I always use fiberglass mesh tapes whenever I do patches, and basically just put the fiberglass tape over your wet joints with the wet mud so it bonds easily. Easy pre-fill method, makes your job a lot easier if you don't have gaps in the drywall. Extra mud in my pan, I'm going to use it up, and I'm just putting the mud right over the joint tape. Just a pre-fill. This is something anybody can do, basically prepping the patch for the major coating. This can be considered a quick first coat. I'm just pushing the mud down, it's starting to set up, and now I'm going to just do a nice heavy first coat with a new pan of 5-minute mud. If you're not comfortable using quick set muds, you can always use joint compound, but this is the same process no matter what material you're using: muds, joint compounds, quick set muds. Pre-filled fiberglass, first coat, second coat, then texture. It's basically the process, but this is just a pre-filled method.